Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform factory reset for your headphones SOUNDPEATS RunFree Lite 2 using application. You have to start by open Peats Audio application. Of course your headphones should be connected with the app and then you will see headphones menu. But if you are in the main menu, just tap at your headphones right here at the device list. Then click at the three lines at the right top. And at the third line we have the button Reset Headset. Tap at this line and click Confirm. Now we need to wait until this headphones reconnect. Turn on. And now let's reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then click forget this device or forget device or unpair or remove or something else and forget device. Now if you have Android, you need to click pair new device button at the top. But not all Android phones have this button, maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have refresh button, tap at this button. After factory reset, these headphones enter to print mode automatically, and you will see them as a device list. By the way, you can check that it's entered to print mode if the LED light blinking red and white, like what I have right now. So, tap at your headphones here. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!